how are you? In this video I will be make a spice, and now I have some ingredients. This is a mini, and this is a wooden sticks. Also I have pink salt and red chili, and also I have a tea. And these ingredients I will be make a spice, and some ingredients I will be mix on to make a cooking, and like using in our organic words. And welcome back to organic words. Also I will be put some, this is for a cooking spice, like you should be make a rice from these ingredients, and this is organic spice. Also I will be put some wooden sticks, and it will be I will be make a spice and put on my rice. Also in this is a pink salt. I will be put some pepper and little teaspoon. I will be add a pink salt. Okay. That, and this spice get little chili, and little bit chili. And this is for making a rice, and like lobsters and seafoods are best spice here. Also I will be, this is a tea, put a tea and little bit tea. It is for a color food, like if you don't have a color to use this is very best for a color food. And now I have some yellow flavor. Should we put some here? This is a yellow colors, and some peanut streaks. And this will be put here. Mix. And mix arms. Then you should be put some chilies, if you have chilies, and put some chilies, also a chili, and this is also a chili. Now sometimes to mix. And if you have any silicon powder like this, I have this silicon powder. This is silicon powder. Then you should put some liquid. Two to 3 minutes you will be mixed and put down here. If all ingredients have been put, then you should be again. And now you need some needles, and needle put here. cooking rice spice. You should be put on your rice, and it will be very best taste and cook food. And if any like you should be put seafood like fishing and lobsters and other thing, you should be also put this spice, and it make a very best spice. And this is organic, and this is very important organic wood, and it will be put. You should be it tastes very best. I will be show you, bro. This is very high amount of spice. Okay, now I will be put here, associate here. And thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and share.